Hello everybody and welcome to another video, and in this video I want to share with you and give a shout out to some YouTube channels that I like to watch when I'm not camping. Okay, so first up we have JRP Outdoors. That is run by John, I believe, and I've been following John's channel for maybe 2 months now, 2 or 3 months, and he has some really good quality outdoors videos. He goes to some amazing landscapes, and he is a really good editor, and his music choices are spot on. Also, if you like drone footage, he uses his drone really effectively, and it just really works in those wild camping videos that he does. So do check out JRP Outdoors. Next up, we have a brand new channel that I've started following that is run by my friend Lance, and it's called Lance Into Wild Camping. Lance is a really experienced wild camper, an outdoors person. I've had some really interesting conversations with him in the times that I have met him, and he's really knowledgeable. So he is a new channel. He's very experienced and he's making some really interesting videos. So do lend him your support, check out his channel, throw him a sub, throw him some likes, and that's Lance Into Wild Camping. Next we have a channel called Gaziano Outdoors. Many of you may follow this channel already. If you don't, I really would recommend that you go and check Gaz out. It's a great channel. It's a channel that I started watching when I first started getting into wild camping and YouTubing and all of that, and I found this channel really inspiring. It encouraged me to go and try out particular kits and particular styles of micro adventures, what have you. So yeah, very honest guy, says it how it is, and just makes some really good quality wild camping videos. And lastly, we have a channel that I just recently started subscribing to, and that is 401 Files. And this is quite, I would say, quite an original YouTube channel in that it mixes wild camping and outdoor adventure with kind of paranormal, kind of conspiracy theory stuff, if that's your kind of thing. So things like UFOs, kind of Sasquatch, all that kind of stuff. It's really fascinating and really interesting. And Ben, who runs the channel, is a really good guy, and he's really watchable. He's a really watchable YouTuber, and very good videos. And one of his videos I'd recommend is, I think it's called Britain's Roswell, where he goes to Rendlesham Forest and explores that whole Rendlesham phenomenon back in the 1980s. So if you get a chance, do go and check out 401 Files. So thanks very much for watching, guys. I hope that's been useful. I think it's really important to shout out other YouTube channels, particularly the ones that are inspiring us, and also ones that are starting off small and need the support that people like myself have had and really valued. If you've liked this video, please can I encourage you to hit the thumbs up. If you've loved the video, you might want to subscribe, so feel free to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget the little bell that gives you all the notifications of any future uploads. My plan is to get out wild camping as soon as possible. I'm sorry they can't be as regular as I would like them to be, but do stay tuned. There is more to come this autumn, and I'll see you soon.